Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to unlock or how to open password protected files. Sometimes you are decided to give the password in your PDF files and you're forgetting. So how to open this password protected file no matter how much complex password you already provided this file. PassFab platform are providing such amazing features for you. How to open password protected file? It's very easy. So now let's start. Simply open the Google, type here PassFab. So first official link is display here. PassFab software, Windows, Mac and iOS, Android solution also available. Password, iPhone unlock, Android unlock, Excel password recovery and some other features is also available. Today we targeting here PassFab for PDF. Look at this here. Open password protected files no matter how complex the password. It's very easy. Software available for Windows 11, 10, 8, 8.1 and 7 as well. Some other basic information is available here. We can just simply download the software. Software size is very small, around 82 MB. If you won't buy the software, prices is going on very affordable prices. 1 month license, 1 year license and lifetime license is also available for one PC. All software comfortable for all Windows operating system. Accordingly, which package you want, like accordingly you should purchase. 20% discount is also going on and I personally put it on my discount coupon also in video description and pin comment as well. Now we can just simply click and install the software.
Then downloader is downloading. So setup is completed, downloaded. Just click over there. System is asking you the permission. Now you can just follow the process. Select the language as your choice. We will go with the English. Then select the agreement. This is complete agreement. Click on next button. Once your setup is completed, click on a finish button. Application is ready for recover your PDF, open password and then remove PDF restricted edition. So we can test both options. Okay. Provide the 3 different cracking methods to help you the retrieve PDF open password. Okay. So I'm trying to create another one. Now what we are doing here, so we are giving the password of these files. Go to here, save as, select a particular folder. Again we are selected the folder demo, select here the PDF options we have and just click over these options, encrypted document with the password. Okay, give the password 1234. Again retry 1234. This is a file password. Okay, so at least 6 max characters. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 JK 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is a 8 digit password, this files, and save it. Okay, so this PDF having the password. So demo files, it is a password protected, and here this file password is very simple, 1 2 3 4 5 6 JK. I created that one. So this file, it is open after that password. So using this application, I'm trying to open that file. So go to the folder and select the demo files, select that one and click the, actually we are select here the first option, directory attack. So quick find the password and find the inbuilt custom directory. So this is a setting option where this file is saved. Just okay, no problem. Just click on a start button and we are try to unlock this. So now this application is not able to finalize this, not able to open that because it is showing the error message. The directory is scanning complete and no password has been founded. So please brute force with the mask attack mode. Okay, so another options he said me, so you can try that. So this application is able to do that. So if we try to use another option, again same process we will be do and wait and watch how it is able to crack or not. So this application is able to unlock the your PDF.
So this is the simple way you can unlock your password protected PDF file using PassFab platform. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.